Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to create a generative NFT collection on EverScale blockchain. This project has full documentation and detailed guides. Before the start, I recommend you to check out the Noob's Guide with software instructions. Everything you need to know is here. So, first of all, we need to download the code. Unpack it. And let's open console. We need to install Python requirements. Okay. And then let's proceed with one of the guides. Here it is 5 approaches of how to store images and metadata. In this example, we will use this one. All will be on IPFS. So we need to prepare our traits and put them in image sources directory. It is here. We have trait folders with layers. Every file is different trait. Let's open our project in VS Code. And here is generator file. This script will help you to generate images from sources. So here we pass the traits. For example, let's create a new background trait. Copy file, rename, and make it pink. Okay, so save. Here we should enter the name of the trait, pink. And here we enter rarity. For example, if we want it to be 10%, all these numbers must be in some 100%. So make it 30. Okay, and here we need to pass the trait file. Our pink trait has background 5 file. Okay, save. Here we can change images count, number of how many images will be generated. And if you want, here we can change the size of output images. So let's run this file and generate images. But before, let's delete these images. Okay, now let's run. Okay, so we have now pink ducks. Metadata of these ducks is saved to metadata folder. Let's check it. It is JSON files. And what? Here we see attributes. Okay. Now we need to upload images to IPFS. First of all, we need to create account on Pinata Cloud. I already have an account here. and we need to create a key. So click here, at the keys, it will be admin key, and let's name this key. Okay, so we have a key, a secret, and GVT. As here, we need to open file, uploaders, IPFS image uploader. It is here. And pass these keys here. Okay, let's enter our GVT key. So let's save and let's check out. Run all. Here we see a process of uploading. If we open Pinata Cloud, open files, we should see the new files here. Yes, files are uploading. And done. So now we have uploaded all our images on IPFS. Results are saved to back to metadata JSON. Here we can see link to IPFS. Okay. Next, we need to upload metadata to IPFS. As in the step before, we open IPFS metadata uploader file and change keys. Okay, save. Now we can run. Okay, done. You can see if it's ready when green arrow is here. So results is as saved to metadata, all metadatas JSON file. And next step, we need to deploy our NFT collection to the local network. So we need to run our local blockchain. Make sure Docker is running. You have installed tonedev tool. So let's run this command, tonedev se start. And yes, we see our local blockchain is running. We can visit localhost to see Explorer. Okay, next, let's change directory to True NFT in console. And here we should install requirements. Okay, next, run this command. Done. And now we can test minting of our NFT. Okay, tests are passed. So we have everything okay. And if we want to deploy NFT to actual network, you need to navigate to True NFT components, True NFT core folder, and here will be env.example file. Here it is, keys for the multi-signature wallet. Here we can see these keys. When we run a test on local network, keys and wallet are generated automatically. So we don't need to pass them to this file. If you want to change the network, you need to enter your keys of your actual wallet. So we will deploy our collection to local network. We run deploy command. Okay, we have deployed it. Now, this command have generated file called test-deploy-result.json. Here, keys from our NFT root, NFT minter, and multi-signature wallet. We need to copy these keys to the Explorer. Run this command. Okay. Now, this project includes Web Explorer, where you can check out your NFT. So we change directory to this Explorer, run this command to install dependencies. Okay, so it's ready, and we can run this command. And we have Explorer here. We can click Fetch NFTs, and this button will check our NFTs in blockchain. So we don't have any NFT yet. So we click Mint NFT, and here it is, our first NFT minted. Click Next, the next NFT, Next. Ready to, and we can click it many times. If we check a link to an image, we can see it is image on IPFS. It all works. And here it is our pink duck. Here you can see traits of the NFT. These traits also are from IPFS. So that's pretty all. We have created an NFT, generated all images, put them on IPFS, put traits on IPFS, and also we have a web page where you can mint and check your NFTs.